All right, welcome back. Wild week on Wall Street, as you know. Futures all over the map this morning. Yesterday, 1,000 points lower on the Dow. And this morning, we had been up about 100 points. Now we're looking at a decline on the Dow of about 11 points. A lot of volatility. The Dow and the S&P 500 are officially in correction territory, having dropped 10% from their highs. Joining me right now is the CEO of Chime, Chris Britt. Chris, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
And we want to talk about financial technology, fintech, and what's going on with mobile banking. But first, your thoughts on what we saw yesterday with this market?
Well, I think the volatility is natural. I think at the end of a bull cycle that you'll get some pullbacks. I think some of it was a bit technical. There was a very heavy short on the volatility index that I think has led to an unwinding. And I think once that gets reset, I think the market will find its ground again and continue to grow.
What's the impact here? I mean, as one of the leaders in mobile banking, Chime, and you just raised $18 million Series B, accelerating growth. What does something like this mean to you?
It doesn't mean much to us. We're very long-term focused, and we think there's a huge opportunity in consumer banking to deliver a more consumer-friendly experience. So we at Chime aim to help our members lead healthy financial lives, and we do that with a mobile-first checking account, savings account, Visa debit card, and managed entirely through your phone. We give the consumer a bunch of tools to help them save money automatically and feel a greater sense of control of their money.
How does that work? Explain the services, and you obviously are seeing much more reception to these kinds of things.
Oh,
right?
We're seeing massive growth. I think since the last time I was with you, our company has grown about 10x. And we're
Congratulations.
adding, thank you. Yeah, and we're adding over 100,000 new bank accounts a month at this point. So we're clearly onto something really big. And I think if you just look at the backdrop of consumer financial services and banking in America, it's broken for a lot of mainstream Americans who have to pay very high fees, monthly fees, overdraft fees. The business models for mainstream big banks is extremely fee-oriented, and I think consumers are starting to recognize that and are looking for alternatives.
You're right. I was just talking about that actually on the show when we were looking at investing, talking about ETFs and the low fees there. They're competing with the big guys who are, demanding very high fees. But yours is an interesting story because you're a real innovator. But you can't just operate, in a tunnel, and be an innovator. You're operating in a regulated world of financial services. So how does that work in terms of being the big grower, the innovator, coming out with these new products and having to operate with the rules of the big banks?
Well, Chime is really a technology company, and we design beautiful products, but we partner with financial institutions. And our product is FDIC insured, was approved by the FDIC before we rolled it out. And we get consumers to sign up and really replace their Wells Fargo and B of A accounts with Chime. They get direct deposit of their paycheck, and they use it for all of their everyday purchases. Our average customer is doing low 40 transactions per month.
How incredible. Chris, great to see you. Thanks so much.
Thanks so much.
We appreciate it. Chris Britt joining us.